And I've got some new vinyl. I don't know what we're doing today on Better Totes and Gardens. I've got vinyl.
Green vinyl.
Green vinyl. Well, it's not vinyl, is it? It's vegan leather.
As a lady at Spotlight told us.
As she told us. And gave us a very heavy discount on.
She was nice.
It was really nice. Anyway, here we go. There's Better Totes and Gardens today. Unless, between this set of teaspoons and the Tote Hotel, I decide to rip up a floor. You know what I'm doing?
Yes, please explain yourself.
Well, learning how to do upholstery. So notice that this one has this great. So I'm going to learn how to fold it and take all the staples out. And then I'm going to. You got your outdoor fabric that you chose yesterday. But this is the ugly material.
Best of the worst though.
It's for outside, isn't it?
Yeah, they're outside chairs. You should explain that this is, you're doing that to waterproof them.
Yeah, waterproof.
So people don't have to sit on a wet chair.
So you can see where they cinch it in. So we can cinch that in. We can sew. But the problem I have is doing the pleather. I don't think we can sew on it. So I wonder if there's a way in which we can kind of do the folds and do the staples without having to.
I guess these ones will be good practice. The outdoor material.
Yeah. It doesn't look like there's any special fold. It looks like they just ram everything in, flip two sides over, flip that side over, and that's it. And look, that's perfectly, that's how big it is.
It's a perfect table.
There we go.
Yeah.
Dry force indicator, might turn that down a bit, hey?
Yeah. That's perfect.
That's a bit better.
In first. Right.
Now that like this. Geez, it's a bit longer than we've been able to.
Might be able to stretch it out.
Hey? No, don't pull it.
How ugly is that fabric, Jacob?
Huh?
How ugly is that fabric?
What do you mean? It's nice and... No,
we'll just give it a roughie, see if we can paint it or something, eh? Right. Now pull it towards you. Alright. Try and even this up, which we didn't do. We should have done that, Jacob. To see what we did.
Oh, it's not. Oh.
Okay. How about we just try it? You can always pull this thing off.
Yeah, a Christmas present.
Yeah, kind of.
It's perfect. Ish.
No.
Do you want me to show you what I would do? No.
Shorter angle.
Okay.
That. Hey, you've got that sorted there, mate. You did that angle really good. Let's just... You do that side there, then you go to that side and flip that side. Okay, that is good. But this side we f***ed up, but that doesn't matter. We can get one side kind of looking good. You happy?
Yeah, I'm always happy.
Well, leave your finger.
That's a good attitude, Jacob.
Have you ever seen me angry? Probably haven't.
No.
No?
Seen Shane angry 10 times already today. Perfect.
Well, we'll see how he does.
No belief.
No.
Oh, let me just put that one in there. Alright, let's flip her up and have a look what she looks like.
What's that?
That's beautiful.
That's probably
Chair if I've ever
pushed it a
seen
little
one.
bit. Okay, this is the bit that's gonna
We burn the edges to make them a bit less free.
No, I don't think that'll work.
What about duct tape?
Could actually duct tape, just to be honest. You probably could. The only problem is...
It'll be down, then we're not gonna... No one's gonna be picking
Yeah.
it at the bottom.
But
Jacob fixed
who
it.
fixed it? Who told you how to fix it?
Oh, I said let's turn it off and on again.
Take the
I
credit.
didn't turn it off and on again.
He can't let anyone else win, can he?
He's going for f***ing crumbs and aren't They're my
It
crumbs.
was like when we did the setup for that and you're like, oh no, I told you. I'm like, no, I told you to turn it off and on again and it worked. Yeah. Let me take some credit, Shane.
Yeah. And don't tell me that I broke a camera by pressing one button on the camera that I use every single day.
Did you break the camera? Does the camera work?
Oh, it's working fine. It's recording right now.
Actually.
I'm catching all your talking right now, yeah.
So, Leanne, if you want to take that and have a look at what you reckon it looks like in the beer garden before we go.
Nothing more of these ones today. And stand back. Beautiful.
Anyway, that's ugly material.
It's so ugly, but it's pretty.
It matches outside though.
You see the rest of them, like, that's what I like. We wanted something to like not be like
Boring.
boring.
What was that, Leanne?
We have already put 3 ciggy butts in our garden.
Public service announcement, please don't put ciggy butts in the garden.
Lunch break.
What's for lunch?
Finally trying the Wonder Pies from around the corner. And if they're not good, there's trouble.
What drink did you get, Jacob?
I've got a lamb one for us to share and a plain one for us to share. So I imagine you're going to want...
Oh, they look nice.
They look nice, but are they nice?
Oh, what, Sam? What
That's lamb.
flavour? Lamb and
That's
plain.
plain.
Oh.
And
What's
we got
in
this
there?
to share with Yakov. It's cashew... What is it?
Something.
What flavour did you get, Jacob?
I got beef, cheese, and pepper.
Why didn't you get a beef, cheese and pepper, bruh?
Because I've got a plain and a lamb and rosemary for us to share.
Boring.
You got a problem with that?
No. Am I filming?
Yeah.
Boring. I like tomato sauce on all pastries though, Shane.
Doesn't matter.
It does matter.
Does it?
We don't need to have the same.
I got them for us to share, Leanne. If you don't like sharing, then go that's cool. That's all the sauce there is. Sorry.
Okay.
I'm going to put this in thirds so we can all share it. You want an end piece, big fella?
Yep. Thank you.
Leanne, do you want an end piece?
No, I don't care.
Would you want an end piece? Or
I
not?
don't really care, Shane. Choose whatever piece you want. Yeah, the small piece.
It's quite tasty.
It's got onion in it.
Yep.
You're kidding me.
Of course it's got onion in it. Food has
Yeah,
onion.
Shane can't eat onion.
Wow.
She ain't no damn main sausage roll. Do you want to eat the whole film you eating?
No, not really.
It's pretty not bad. What'd you say?
It's a pig factory.
Jesus.
Did they have vanilla slice then?
I didn't look, Leanne.
That,
Stop block.
Yeah. Did they have desserts though?
that's what I like.
Did they have desserts?
They had stuff there.
Like a bakery dessert? I don't know.
Alright, Leanne, get the gun.
I just don't understand why you didn't buy
Put one in the middle. Come on, Leanne.
like a dessert with lunch.
Oh, we gotta fold it first, so put one like here.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'm not rolling my eyes at you, Jacob.
You gave me a very scary look. And chuck one here as well,
I don't like the way you're speaking to me.
please.
Leave your little thumb.
It's not gonna get hurt. Ow. On this side too, please.
like something, a
Run
little
out.
sweet treat.
And now
Along the line.
along the line.
And if you measure it up, that's where it's gonna go.
Bang bang, keep going. Righto, tough guy. Or no
Yeah,
salad.
sure.
Or no salad.
Like salad?
Yeah.
Have you explained to the patrons, to people that we're not upholsterers and we're just making this up as we go?
Well,
Everything we do on this TV
Yeah.
series, we are not.
Trained professionals.
No.
Yeah.
We don't know what we're doing.
We'll have to DIY channel, Leanne.
but what we are doing is practicing for the future.
Future.
So when we do go do a big job, we'll kind of half know what we're doing.
What's happening?
No, just sewing. He's actually done not a bad job. That's not what I was thinking, but yeah, he's done it right. We'll see if it holds.
Jacob.
So people know I did it.
Exactly. He doesn't, you know, he finally does some work, so he's got to sign it.
Loves running his mouth.
Hey?
This guy loves running his mouth.
Don't run it, mate. It runs itself.
This is my chair. Come on, one.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, this side's a bit.
Yeah, you did alright
You did a good job.
Yeah.
Not bad.
Is that your first time sewing?
In like 30 years.
You're 22, 23 you'd be there.
Exactly, my past
Well,
life
the
I was a
last
master
time you
sewer.
sewed, your mum did it. So
Yeah.
I got it. But yeah, well, then at least you found your job to do next week.
Jacob's yawning, he's had enough.
I can do it Wednesday or Thursday too.
No,
Other stuff.
He's got other stuff to do, he says.